Hello chemists, today I will try to solidify liquid sodium hydroxide. So I will try to do it. So as you can see, I have plenty much of liquid sodium hydroxide, and actually I will try to make some solid sodium hydroxide with it. So stay tuned. So here's my sodium hydroxide solution. After a while of searching, I found this milling bowl that is going to be really problematic after a while. You will see, but that was actually really dangerous in my opinion. And I'll put it in a gas stove that I have nearby. So as you can see, I'm going to put this bowling mill into a gas stove, but it's kind of a problem of balancing. So I thought of an idea to put some kind of support to it so that it wouldn't fall. So as you can see, I have a really good ventilation over here, so you really don't want to worry about me. As you can see, I will start to pour some sodium hydroxide solution into it. And while I was heating it, I started to notice some really kind of early bubbles to it. But I didn't really care about it because I didn't know that it was aluminium and this solution was sodium hydroxide. So you will see in a later that it was crucial to me. Now fast forward some time, it was bubbling like crazy and I didn't even know what to do. So I just stirred it and just left it there, and it actually overflowed and casually tried to destroy my setup. And the reaction going on here is really simple reaction with aluminium and water and sodium hydroxide as a catalyst. This reaction actually produces some hydrogen gas. And after the reaction was going for a while, I just started to panic and brought some cardboard to it and spilled all of the containments into the cardboard and brought some water that for some reason it had some grass in it. And after this disaster, I just tried to clean everything off. Now, finally, after searching some time, I found something that will not be corrosive to sodium hydroxide solution, and that's probably stainless steel pan that I got the rest of my sodium hydroxide solution onto. Now, after a while of hesitation, I finally started to boil off my sodium hydroxide solution. And here I realized that it would be a great idea to put it in landscape mode. Now after boiling it for a good 10 minutes, I've turned off the stove. Now after it cooled a bit, I've decided to put it in a plastic container. Now after a while of hesitation, I've decided to pour all of it into it. And finally, I was left with a murky solution of sodium hydroxide. And after a while in the fridge, I don't see any signs of crystallization of sodium hydroxide. So I think that it was a failure.